Hey everyone!
I'm so excited to be here with the famous Gabriella. If you don't know who she is, I don't know where you've been. She is in Maryland. I'm in Jamaica, and we're going to talk to you. Well, she's going to talk to you about tips on using color in your business, and she's going to share a little bit about. She's going to be our guest speaker in Jamaica, so we're excited. So Gabriella is my dear friend, and she's amazing. She's a rock star with all things in the beauty industry. She's got 12 years of knowledge. Like, that's a lot. A lot. So she's going to share with us some tips about this. This is really close to my heart because I work with a lot of entrepreneurs who they'll just pick 3 colors out of the air that they like pink, blue, and yellow. And they don't even know the meanings behind it, if it looks good on them, stuff like that. So when we talked about this, I'm like, Gabriella, will you come to Jamaica and teach this and other things, right? But also let's tell them, just give them a little tip today if they're on the fence about coming to meet us in person. So take it away.
Awesome. So, hey everybody. Again, I'm Gabriella. So, I'm super excited to see everybody in Jamaica, especially get out of this cold that we're in right now. So, one of the big things that we're going to be talking about in Jamaica is, what is your power color? So, we're going to go through a couple quizzes, and I'm going to really want you guys to sit down and think about your brand. What does your brand say about you? And that also includes your color. So there are a different spectrum of different colors, and basically there's all different meanings. So for me, for example, my power color is yellow. If you know anything about my business, I have the big yellow wall. As soon as you walk into my salon, you walk into my house, I've got the big yellow wall, and yellow is always my pop of color. And basically what that says about my business is I like a lot of high energy. I like to bring more warmth. I like it to be just, sunny and powerful. When you see my business, it definitely makes a statement.
Yes.
Yeah, needless to say. So yeah, that's kind of the realm that.
But a good statement. I'm not saying yes, no, it's the powerful. She knows what she's doing. She's professional, but it also welcomes you into this space. It's not intimidating,
No, it's a very warm and comforting feel, if that makes sense. Just kind of like the sun.
Yeah.
So I definitely want to reiterate to you guys during this class, pick your power color and run with it. Whether you want to put it in your makeup, your background, your business logo, whatever that means for you, but you need to pick your color and go with it. Because that's going to be what stands out to you amongst businesses around you. Because let's be honest, there's so many small businesses out here, but you need something that sets you apart than everybody else.
Exactly. Sorry, we just had a little glitch, but you're back. But also, when they're picking their color, though, I think it's important. I don't know if you agree with this or not, but that it should look good on them. Because if you have a yellow wall as your background and it makes you look sick, I don't know if it's the best choice.
Yes. So then that's another fun thing that we're going to do in Jamaica. We have, again, there's a whole lesson plan worked out for you guys, which is going to be super fun. But we're going to I'm going to make sure you guys know what looks good on you and what doesn't, what you need to stay away from, and what you really need to incorporate in your day-to-day life, whether it's your clothing, your makeup, the background.
Yes.
We want to make sure you look your very best, because let's be honest, you are the face of your business. We need you to look the best.
Yes, because some colors can make you look old. Some can make you look sick. I mean, and I know I don't look so good right now. I'm in Jamaica and my lighting, I don't know if y'all can see, I got palm trees outside. I don't have good lighting. And that makes a big difference, not having good lighting. And I know that you look beautiful. So I know you're an expert in the lighting too.
Yes, and we're going to go over all of that as well. We're going to talk about the different equipment you can incorporate to make sure you look your very best, whether it's equipment, halo light, what kind of lighting looks better. Whatever. Yeah, it's going to be super fun. I want to make sure you look yourself, but you also stand out and you read well on camera. That's the big thing when it comes to your business.
Exactly. And also, I work with a lot of people in the beauty industry, but it doesn't mean they actually know what's the best color for them or how to apply makeup so that they stand out on camera. Because, I was former model and actress, and I know that certain things you need to really play up when you're on camera. And some people might be so intimidated that they just do nothing, which
Yep. Yeah, so we need to focus on, because with a lot of us, I'm sure you've taken pictures, you've been out with your girlfriends, and you just kind of look flat faced. You don't look like you're there. Your eyes are missing. You look washed out. And there's different methods to help bring certain features back out in you. And yeah, we're going to push you out of your comfort zone because some things need to be enhanced more than you normally would do on your day to day basis.
Right. And also, some people don't know that their nose is super cute, or they got the best lips, or their eyes are what they might not know which features that they should focus on. And that's where you as an expert come into play to let them know, hey, for you, I would,
accentuate this part of you instead of maybe that.
Yes. And it takes someone, who's knowledgeable to say that versus like your neighbor or your best friend, because they might not be the expert,
No.
So I'm excited. I'm so excited for this class. She's got a workbook that's going to be in your binders that you're going to have. You'll have this information. Like she said, there's going to be quizzes before you even come to Jamaica so that she knows she's going to tell you what to pack. And, they might not know this, Gabriella, but we've got the photo shoot. Top photographer in Jamaica is going to be taking their branding pictures. So they need to know from you what the best colors are, what this is, so they can pack. We're doing a lot before you guys even get onto the plane to come here.
Absolutely. And what the great thing is I get you guys before the photographer comes.
Yes.
So you can ask me questions. I am here to help you look your best.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
I will make sure you're in tip-top shape before you get your branding photos out there.
Oh my gosh, this is going to be so exciting. People pay thousands and thousands just to talk to someone of your caliber. People pay thousands and thousands just for a photo shoot, right? So they're getting you, they're getting me to talk about selling. They got Tex Ray for mindset. They get Rob for health and mindset. They got Daniel for automating in their business. All of this in an all-inclusive resort. They get to hang out with us, and they got lots of good stuff coming. So text retreat to this number. Sorry, go ahead.
I said, please do text the number. I want to see everybody out there. It's going to be so much fun. Again, and who doesn't want to go to Jamaica and learn a little business?
And if you don't have a business, you can still come because we'll show you how to work your business, how to start, how to do the branding, how to sell more. So if you have an established business, you want to start a new one, or you've never been an entrepreneur, this is going to be the place for you to come. Now, listen, when you get to the form, it's going to ask you some questions like, how did you hear about this for the first time? And if Gabrielle is the one who told you, you need to put her name. Yes. Because there's extra swag that's going to happen in Jamaica, and we need to know who sent who to the link. So book your time now. Listen, the ticket sales are going to end in March. We have a limited amount of people. We wanted to keep this intimate. So please book or sign up, get your ticket for us, and we'll see you there. Is there anything else you want to share with them?
I just want to let you guys know it's the beginning of the year. We just went through New Year's. This is the time to invest in yourself.
Yes.
Invest in your business. So definitely step out on a limb and check us out.
Yes, do it. And, she's bringing her hubby. They're having a second honeymoon there. Some people are bringing their girlfriends or making it a girlfriend's trip. Bring your top, bring whoever you want on this. You can bring a buddy, or we can set you up with a roommate, whatever you would like to do. But don't say, oh, I'm not making enough money, I can't do this, because what we're going to teach you is what's going to help you to take your business to the next level. Or you can keep doing what you're doing and keep getting what you got.
Yeah, get out of your comfort zone, guys.
Yep. Do it. We can't wait to see you. So comment below if we're going to see you in Jamaica. And if you have questions, reach out to either one of us. So thank you, Gabriella, so much.
See you.
All right. Bye, guys.